Harmony in nature, understanding and appreciating the balance. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the beautiful and thought-provoking concept of harmony in nature. This phrase is not just a simple combination of words, but a deep and meaningful expression that reflects the balance and interconnectedness of the natural world around us. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner of English, understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and broaden your perspective on life. So, let's dive in and discover the essence of harmony in nature. The phrase, harmony in nature, can be broken down into two key components: harmony and nature. Harmony is a concept that implies balance, peace, and a pleasing arrangement or combination of elements. When we talk about nature, we refer to the natural world, including plants, animals, landscapes, and other features and products of the earth. So, harmony in nature essentially means a state where all elements of the natural world coexist in a balanced and peaceful way, without conflict or disturbance. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. The food chain. In nature, different species depend on each other for food. This dependency creates a balance where no single species dominates, ensuring the survival of various life forms. 2. Seasonal changes. The seamless transition between seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and winter demonstrates nature's rhythm and balance. 3. Ecosystems. Different ecosystems, such as forests, oceans, and deserts, show how diverse life forms adapt and coexist in specific environments. These examples illustrate how harmony in nature is about the balance and interdependence of living and non-living things. Understanding the concept of harmony in nature is crucial for several reasons. Environmental awareness. It helps us realize the importance of preserving natural habitats and biodiversity. Learning from nature. Nature's harmony inspires us to seek balance in our own lives and communities. Cultural significance. This concept is often found in literature, art, and philosophy, reflecting the human connection to the natural world. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, harmony in nature. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the profound connections and balances in our world. Remember, learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about exploring ideas and cultures that enrich our understanding of the world. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of language and nature.